Arawat is in Anantnag at the hospital there, and Zinat, our Kashmir bureau chief, is in Pahalgam. Arawat, first to you in Anantnag, how many people are there? How many injured? How many have been declared dead? And how many are going through treatment? What is their condition?
Arnav, right now we are here at in the ward of the GMC Anantnag. I'll request my Vijay to take you through these visuals. These are the visuals here in the GMC Anantnag. As of now, 10 to 15 people are here.
Put the camera away. Put the camera away. Arawat, don't go inside the hospital.
आप मुझे बताइए क्या हुआ था तब exactly?
अभी टाइम का पता नहीं था, बस गोलियों की आवाज़ आई और हम आगे आगे निकलते जा रहे थे अपने आप को बचाने के लिए। बाकी गेट इतना छोटा था कि वहाँ से दो लोग जा ही नहीं सकते थे, और वहाँ पे कोई सिक्योरिटी गार्ड या कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ भी प्रबंध नहीं था कि हमको वो बचा पाते। हमको अपने आप को ही बचाना ही था।
Thank you very much for speaking. This is the outside the hospital in the GMC Anantnag here. Also, we will take you through these visuals in the GMC Anantnag. But we have been told by the sources that the casualty figures may go up after an hour. Also, we have been told that the senior officers from the Jammu and Kashmir Police and Intelligence Chief have already arrived here at Anantnag.
Yeah.
And also, the situation is very much crucial as of now. Also, we have been told that the 15 individuals have been admitted here in the GMC Anantnag. Also, few of them have been airlifted to Army Hospital for the advanced treatment in the Srinagar. But as of now, the situation is very much terrible here. We have seen this is the attack which comes after the abolition of Article 370. It clearly indicates also the frustration among the terrorist groups. Also, we have seen that the spike in the figures of the tourists, that we have seen that the good numbers of the tourists are visiting to Jammu and Kashmir after the abrogation of Article 370. It also clearly indicates that the frustration among the terrorist organizations that now they are targeting the tourists here in the Kashmir Valley. As of now, you can see here in the visuals that the Jammu and Kashmir police and other paramilitary security forces are here.
I will come back to you. That's Arawat from Anantnag. I'd like to go across to you, Zinat. Now, Zinat, this particular area where the tourists have been targeted and killed, first of all, we're told about 50 to 60 plus tourists were there, and there were spray bullets which were fired, and there were children also which were there. But what makes it tourists very vulnerable in this Baisaran Valley is that the area is only approachable on foot or on horseback. So you cannot even get away from this place fast. Can you tell us about what you know about the incident when the terrorists opened fire, all the details of the terror attack itself?
What I am picking from the sources that it is a 8 number of terrorists who have carried this attack. 4 have fired upon this group of the tourists indiscriminately, and the 4 were keeping an eye that nobody approaches to this very particular site. Another thing is that this incident has taken place on the weekdays when most of the local population are busy with their work, with their office, with the school and other day-to-day life, and mostly the local population visit this place during weekends. So it definitely indicates that the Pakistani terrorists chose weekday only to target the tourists who are coming to the Kashmir Valley, which is a big question. The kind of recce that has been done in this area, the terrorists who have been coming to the place, because this is not an incident in one of the incident where such kind of a big attack has carried by the terrorists. This what we are picking, these Pakistani terrorists have come through Kishtwar Ridge, because Kishtwar connects you to the Anantnag, and they were the Pakistani terrorists who had carried this very strike. Although we see the deployment in Pahalgam at present, but the higher regions needs much more deployment, more coyotes need to be rushed in order to avoid these kind of incidents in future. Although we are picking that the Home Minister will be making his night stay in Srinagar, he will be heading to Raj Bhavan for an for an important meeting, and in the morning he will head back to Delhi. As of now, we see the critical situation on the ground, and I'll ask my Vijay Mubashir to show you that the ambulances are now coming down carrying those who have been injured in this attack. In fact, the ambulances are supported also by the police vehicles. That tells you that the operation in Pahalgam is still on. Although the temperature in Pahalgam has gone drastically down, it is still more cold in Pahalgam, but we see the foot soldiers on the ground, and far as to maintain the security scenario, we see that the more forces are being rushed. The deployment number in Pahalgam has been increased. The Naka points have also been enhanced, because in the upper reaches the operation has been launched to see that the terrorists, the Pakistani terrorists who carried this very attack, they are at least nabbed or neutralized. So all the forces are in action, but the bigger challenge for the administration at present is to those who have received the critical injuries, at least their lives are saved.